Because he thinks you're gonna get a no-scope.
I'll just be back in about 9 days while it loads into GTA Online.
Oh my god, it takes so long.
I get the joke. I didn't like
Guys,
Sorry.
I've now changed from loading into GTA Online with the pictures, and it's now just an aerial shot of the place. I'm a UAV.
UAV incoming. 5 kill streak. Whoa.
Enemy UAV over there.
Eyes hell when I'm in the clouds. That's that space shit. Elevated, I'm hella faded.
Every single button on my controller,
loaded
every
in,
single
boys.
key binding.
Where do I find friend requests?
If you press...
Hey,
wait,
is
are
it
you
that?
using controller?
Can somebody help me?
You gotta go into the social club menu.
I don't know how.
I know some hoes with good ass, fuck a tutor. So many hundreds out of hell, I'm gonna lose them. Put me in the jacket, out of rape, and now I'm cool. Play with my mom.
What the hell are you talking about? Where did you learn that?
By the way, everybody, this is my second time ever playing GTA Online, so...
Oh, Henry, you're gonna have a blast from the past.
Where's Henry? He's
Yeah,
gonna end up
boy.
him getting lost, and then you're gonna have to
Hello.
find him.
I've played GTA,
Oh, yes,
dude.
please, if you don't mind.
I know the map.
Yeah, we know what we're doing, Jude. Don't come in between me and Henry. And especially when we've got our Suzuki Samurai trademark representative.
Of
Yeah, well, I've got my aircraft.
Whoa, get in, hot stuff. Come on, let's
No.
go.
Suck my
Yeah,
dick.
that's very worrying.
Oh no.
Sirs and gentle lady.
Yes, what do you
Get
want?
out of the car.
No, is that the Batmobile?
Yes.
Skirt! Oh my god!
It's
Oh my god!
Hi.
Henry, we're gonna have to take a detour.
Okay, that's fine by me.
Don't worry about it. We're
me,
Oh, I jumped out by accident!
It's me, Batman.
I'm coming.
Henry, you can't go shooting. We'll get wanted even more.
What the hell?
Henry, what did you do?
It wasn't me! It wasn't me, I promise!
No.
Nice horn.
I'm playing the funny horn game, but he's not even amused.
What?
What's up,
Security guard
guys?
punches me.
It's me.
How was that you?
How is Henry here?
Henry, get the plane.
Which plane?
Secure the plane.
Is there a penny on the ground?
Stream.
Oh my god! I got erased by Cornflakey17.
Okay. I'm sorry, Henry. I thought I killed Jude.
Can I get it?
Yeah,
Oh my
wait.
god, can you guys stop?
Get in the car.
Oh well, why are you a woman? See you later, losers. They
Where's
call
the
me the CEO.
helicopter?
Wait, did you shoot my
Helicopter.
tiger out?
I think I might have done actually. Here I go.
No.
For my
Oh,
flying
no,
I'm
anyway.
trick.
gonna sacrifice myself.
Okay, there we go. I'm lying
Harry,
everything.
don't get in. I'm sacrificing myself.
Look on the top of
Let's
this
go.
tower thing.
Oh my
Yeah,
god,
go
how did
fly.
you get up there?
I don't know. On it. Oh,
Jude, band of
Guys,
brothers.
I'm level 2. Guys, I'm not gonna crash this thing. I'm not gonna. Oh god,
He
that's a
missed-
thing.
missed
Oh!
Henry, land the helicopter.
I'm trying.
I just
Oh my
lowered
god,
it.
that's a tree. That is a tree. Ah no, that's backwards. Get down. Ah! I'm landing
Wait,
it.
Harry,
Okay, wait.
Me.
It's landed. I landed it successfully.
Oh my
Henry,
god.
land it on here. Land it on here.
Well, I've landed it here now, and I'm not moving it.
No, just fly up. It look like I can't drive my car over there.
Oh,
You can't.
My
Never mind.
wait,
game
maybe you
is so
can.
laggy.
Oh, you're so bad at piloting that.
I know I am. I know I am.
Wait,
Yeah, it has,
Henry.
like, loads of health.
Oh,
Just fly
poo.
up.
Oh,
Thanks,
poo.
Henry.
Fly up, he has tons
Oh,
of health.
poo. No!
Just press W and go straight into a plant.
Oh,
Let's go, boys.
They're trying to chase us, but they're not.
Stop the bus.
They're not going best
Stop
good
the
enough
bus.
driving.
Oh!
I'll come
Don't
and
think I
get you,
want.
don't worry.
Yeah, sure.
Nah, there's a
Might
car
actually
park about 400 miles away. I'll just get that. Don't worry.
You gotta get a low altitude or they shoot you down.
Low altitude, Harry. Low altitude. Oh my
Ah.
god, this
Ah.
guy. What is this?
Here's my jet. Gotta
This
go.
is not your. We are clearly stealing this. But you know that's fine. Oh my giddy arms!
Jet, we gotta go. We gotta go.
Gotta go, gamers.
Oh, you're in my jet.
Sorry.
You appear to be in my
Also, yeah, no,
jet.
the jets,
I
the jets
appear
low
to
altitude
be
thing
in
is
your
true.
jet. I do apologize.
Not
Just
fine.
hop on the wing, dude. Hop on the
There's a
wing.
tank. There's a
Hop on the
tank.
wing. Let's go. Oh my
Alright, well
god.
that didn't go
oh,
nearly as
ow.
well as I thought it would, but you know.
Just
By the
make it
way,
easier.
everyone, since I just started the recording, Daniel is here now. Say hi, Daniel.
No.
Okay, good.
Aw,
I
that's cute.
got him.
Oh, flipping Gmail. Huh. That was me doing
Whoa.
a quick sick backflip
That was
by
not
accident when I
English
was
right
when I
there.
was not. I was looking at my OBS levels and I was not concentrating on my. Guys, can somebody go in the
That's
Skate
not
3
right.
park editor and add in a ramp for
Wait,
me?
are you trying to get into the military base?
Yeah,
You can ramp up the side.
I'll ramp up you.
That.
Oh,
wait,
poo!
what?
I'm in a lake. God damn it! Just give me. No, don't get in yet. Just give me 1 sec. Yeah, right. Now get in, dude. Oh, guys, did you know Fortnite at war with Apple? Oh my god. They should probably get the Skull Trooper on the case, honestly, so he can beat up Steve Jobs in heaven.
It wouldn't be a thing if he added Skull Trooper back during Midsummer and not Halloween.
Yeah, please, captain of the yacht that I own, please leave me alone. What a first world problem. You complain when the captain of your yacht calls you. Why is Jude terrorizing people in the jet?
Because he's a little
Guys, that's
fatty.
really
Oh my
annoying.
god, you poo bum!
Cringe on you.
No, don't hurt me. I'm hurting Jude. Jude hurt me.
Alright, okay, that's
It's
fair.
fine.
I got him.
We gotta go.
Oh, we got
Oh,
it.
Henry, don't hit me with a car! Oh, thank you. Drive to 10 minutes to keep planes up.
Oh, he hit me there! Guys, what's your favorite piece of chicken?
What's your favorite piece of pop culture trivia?
I don't know why I found that so funny.
Oh wait, everyone get on the train. Get on the train if you're a Chad.
Come on, Daniel.
We're
We
gonna
gotta
jump
catch
on.
up.
You can do it, you can do
We
it.
gotta
You can
catch up.
Break, no!
No! Emergency stop.
I see where we gotta go, Henry, but it's really hard to aim this thing.
Oh my god.
No.
Yo, this is such a cool scene.
This is literally straight out. James Bond. Boost, can you boost? Oh my god, that is
What
not
are
what I
you
meant.
doing?
That is not what I meant, Daniel. By boost.
Come on.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh,
Hey, you
my
want to
god.
go
my
right now?
God, you Chad!
no,
What? This is
knock me off.
it's way too far.
Shoot your plane. You crap.
Yeah, but no, I'll just jump out. It's just a noise.
Let's have a party, Henry. Come on. Come on, Henry.
How did I die?
Sorry, I was fixing my levels in OBS.
Oh, Henry, we made it. Harry.
Oh my god!
I got
Let's
instant.
have a party, Henry.
Alright,
Are
see
you
you, man.
playing with- No.
Henry, where are you?
Henry's getting targeted. What can I say?
I'm easy getting out of this one, don't worry, dude.
And then Henry disrespects.
I just jump off. And then I die.
Henry, I made it on the train again.
Did you
This
actually?
time-
Oh, I can see you.
Someone get on the train.
Henry.
I'm in like the best position ever. Oh no!
Henry actually headshot me.
Uh-oh.
I reckon the sirens on.
Oh no.
I'm joking.
Oh my god, Harry, I didn't mean to. I thought you were Jude. Oh my god, I'm so
How
sorry.
did you do this?
Henry, you must pay for your crimes.
No!
Betrayed me.
Hey,
I'm getting in, I'm getting in.
dumbass. This thing's mangled now. This looks like my car in real life.
Yeah.
I broke in the garage. Oh my god, look at the front of Henry.
It looks like a bread bin.
With
Can you
this
even fit down there, dude?
What are you two doing?
I don't know,
Look at
dude.
the front of the car.
Wait, is that them?
We've made it more aerodynamic. It literally drives faster now. There's less air resistance. Number one, what you gotta do, guys, is you gotta fly off the bridge and
Right,
fall on the
you two-
ground.
Remember, please get off the bridge. Oh, we've got company, Henry.
I'm gonna throw a random.
The popo. Now we're with them. We're trying to catch this train.
Uh oh.
Yeah.
Just blend in.
Did we get you got them?
I throw a random grenade and kill both of you.
God damn. Gosh darn it.
Don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me. I'm gonna do something funny. Look.
Wow. Yeah, he did that.
I've got to
The
get
train.
on.
Guys, we stopped the train in GTA 5.
Guys, we legit stopped the train. Oh my god, we're the best players in the whole game.
This. I'm telling you, it doesn't work.
Oh! That was so
Well,
close,
you
man.
get
Hit me!
It's not
Hit me!
gonna happen.
Hit me! Thank you.
Get in. Oh, okay. I've got to go.
If you could not do that, that would be really great. Like, okay.
He's in the forest.
I'm in the
In
foreign!
the jungle where nobody goes, am I right?
Don't worry. Hey, Harry, you wanna die?
No.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
I can help with that, Harry.
I don't need that. That's a thing that I'm fine with.
Okay, I've got all the funny moments that I can think of out of this set. Okay, everybody, stay safe, watch the roads.
Peace be with you.
Peace be with you, amen. Daniel's got shingles.
Oh, what?
What? Since when?